So summer is coming around and I'm sure you want to find an extra way to push that air in your home or office. That's why today we're going to be checking out Dreo's Pilot Max Tower Fan, getting out of the box, letting you guys know what we think on today's episode of Good Tech Cheap. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting off, if you're new to the show, make sure you are following where you're seeing this episode at. Get in the comments and interact with the community. And if you have the option to like this video, be sure to do so. Today's episode is brought to you by Dreo. We have the Pilot Max Tower Fan we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at. And we have all the links and details to this tower fan located in the description, so be sure to check that out. But let's get this thing out of the box and let you guys know what we think. Okay guys, we have the Dreo tower fan. Let's get this bad boy out of the box. Got our handy knife. Cut the plastic. And get her open. Flipping it over. You get the whole view. On top we got a quick start guide. You're definitely gonna be needing that. Open the flaps. Then we have the power supply right here, wrapped up in some nice bubble wrap, along with a remote. All right, you don't even have to get off the couch, guys. You can be lazy and control the speed, power, rotation, all kinds of stuff. This is gonna be sweet. Then you have some more paperwork right here. And that's great paperwork. That's a 5-year warranty. You definitely want to be checking that out. No stressing on buying their products when they have excellent customer service and that awesome warranty. But now, without any further ado, let's get the foam off and check this bad boy out. Rip up some plastic. Oh yeah, look at that. This thing is huge. It's got to set off some awesome air. Front looks really nice. Got the grill. Some sweet branding right there. That's nice. On the back we have a sweet grill. Then right here we have some more parts, which is the feet. We'll go ahead and get that on there, show you how that works. You put these together, they have pins, as you can see. We will line those up together, just like so. It will snap. We know that's good. Then we will take the fan, take the red safety ring off. We shall slide this in there. And you can see right here we have 2 grooves. We'll line up with these pins. And that puts that right in place. We will now reattach our safety ring. Right above the ring you have your power input. And this right here is what you get out of the box with the Dreo tower fan. Now let's put it to some use. Let me tell you guys, this thing is awesome. It is one of the best fans I have in the home now. The Dreo Pilot Max is unrivaled coolness and beyond quietness. Yes, that is their slogan, and let me tell you, they live by it. This thing can put out such a good breeze and remain quiet. It's so cool. Not to mention you have the art of comfort. It is made to look good, it's made to work good, and that's exactly what it does. It's got a really sleek look to it, standing up on the tower, and you have a base on the bottom that will hold it up firmly while it rotates or sits in a static position, giving you all that power from a brushless DC motor that is as quiet as 25 dB, ensuring you peace of mind while you're using this tower fan, as well as being ambient intelligent. The Pilot Max will adapt its fan speed to ambient temperatures, saving extra energy and sparing manual settings at the same time. Who knew fans could be so smart? Giving you 4 modes at 12 speeds, and the more useful features of the Pilot Max always fits your cooling needs whenever you need it. I've had this thing running ever since the unboxing, and it has been excellent. When we get a lot of people in here working in the studio, it definitely does raise the temperature up, so having this bad boy on standby to just put on and cool us off is a lifesaver. While also having a 15-hour auto shut off. Even if you forget to turn off the fan while going out, the fan will start saving energy by winding down and ultimately turning off when you are not using it. All the controls work with the press of a button, and they are touch sensitive, so you can easily get the controls super quick without any issues, as well as having a remote. And this remote really comes in handy if you're just sitting at a desk and you want to change it. You can just reach over and change it without any problems or even having to get up. So far, I have been absolutely satisfied with the Dreo Pilot Max. So if you're out in the market looking for a tower fan that is quiet and puts off a lot of power, we have all the links and details located in the description, so make sure to not miss out on that. I would also like to give Dreo a huge shout out for partnering up with us so we could give you this review. So if you found it helpful, be sure to hit that like button and get in the comments letting us know what you think about Dreo products, as well as where you would put this tower fan at. We have absolutely been loving it, and we know if you're interested in picking one up, you will too. But that is going to wrap it up for today's episode, so make sure you are in the comments interacting with the community. Make sure you're following where you're seeing this episode at, and like always, I'll be seeing you guys in the next review.